If you are doing .NET development in Neovim and you're still using Omnisharp LSP, you are doing a huge mistake. Some months ago, the only option for a good LSP in Neovim was Omnisharp. But now that things have changed and we had more options, currently we can use the same LSP that is used for VS Code, which is Roslyn. Roslyn is faster than Omnisharp. It has better user experience, best support, and it is continuously maintained. First thing that you need to do to have Roslyn LSP is to install Mason. Mason is a Neovim plugin that lets you install a lot of LSPs. So I'm going to my Neovim config, then I navigate to my plugins config. You can add a file called Mason, and you need this part. You can see my config in the description of the videos. I'm gonna put a link there to my GitHub config. The important part here are these two lines. Roslyn is not officially supported by Mason, so you have to add this line. Okay, this is important. Once you have Mason installed, you can enter Neovim, and we have to install the LSP. So you can write lua require Mason, then Mason install, and then Roslyn. Okay, this will install the LSP. The last thing to do is to enable and configure the LSP. The best way to do this is use this plugin. So I'm going to copy this minimal config, then I'm going to my plugins folder. Let's add a Roslyn file. Okay, let's paste that minimal config. I'm going to delete this config function. Okay, I need to enable the LSP. Here is an example. I'm going to copy, and finally I need to call the setup function. Roslyn setup. Okay, and that's it. Let's do a project to test the config. I'm going to create a new project. Roslyn. Name Roslyn. Let's run it. Say the roslyn.nvim run. Let's enter to Neovim. Okay. Let's see if the LSP is running. It seems that it's not running. I'm going to open a new terminal to check that everything is okay. So I'm going to close this. Let's go to the project. Okay. Now let's see if the LSP is running. I'm using this command LSP info, and if you see, here is the LSP roslyn, and it is active, so everything is fine. Let's write some code. Okay, I have autocomplete, I have comments. It seems that everything is okay. So that's it. Hope you like it.